Aibo. It's supposed to be matte black. Why is it shiny? Or is it because it is not dried? I don't know. Okay, so this is how it looks for now. This is how it looks. Maybe it's because it is not dried, so I'm just gonna leave it here and we'll see tomorrow morning if it's fine, if I could get like the paint to go everywhere. Well, let me just repeat it. But I think it went everywhere it's supposed to go, unless if I didn't. Okay, we do it again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dlamini, but you can call me Semi D as always. Please do call me Semi D. To my 10 subscribers, to my day ones, to those who have been here, hi, thank you guys so much for all the beautiful things that you do for us, for the channel, for me. You know, I absolutely love you guys, and thank you so much those that have recently joined. I realized that the past 2 videos I've done have very well, quite well. So there are people that have been passing, you know, about Pasayo. So if you see there's a video and you have watched the past 2 videos and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, okay? And to those that are coming across this channel for the very first time and are just wondering who's this girl, hi, my name is Dlamini, but you can call me Semi D, as I always give my subbies that they can call me Semi D. Okay, so yeah, please do stay, please do subscribe, and please do tell your friends that there's a girl that you just met on YouTube, and her name is Semi D. Okay, thank you guys so much. So we are continuing with our series, and like I did say that I saw that the past 2 videos have been doing great. Thank you guys so much. But it's also an indication that people are also not subscribing, because I think the other one is on 2 point something thousand views, and the other one is 1.7 views, but the subscription is still under 1,000. Guys, please I ask nicely that you please subscribe so that we get it to the at least 1,000 subscribers, right? Yeah, so thank you guys so much. Okay, so please do enjoy, and please do always come back. Okay, love you guys. Sneak peek. Just sneak peek. And you see, we have not cleaned, but oh my god, I'm so well, they're not also done here because we're still waiting for the granite guy. I don't know what's happening, but it is looking beautiful. So it's coming. Yeah, you see here I snapped. Even if I say so myself, here I snapped with these tiles. But I also like how we were working with these guys, because I had thought that this tiling was gonna end here where this is ending, but they were like, no, let's do it all the way because the pattern what, and I was like, okay, sure. And they did it, and look at it. I snapped here too. I snapped here too because these were silver and I spray painted them black. Proud of myself. How I wish I could have spray painted these black as well. It would have been so beautiful, but I thought of it when they had already installed these, that I should have painted these black. But I love the aesthetics of this bathroom. Let me just say, don't mind what's happening on the other side because there's a lot that happens, but If yeah, it's gonna be like this bathroom is small, but let me just tell you how happy I am. Like I am really, really, really happy of the work that has gone in here. Whew. So proud of myself for also just creating this beauty. As it was shown as a pair, guys, this was done. It is complete. Let me just show you. Don't mind everything that you see. So you see the bathtub is in, the toilet is in, everything is in. The cabinet is in. The only thing that is left is the granite and to put the sink on top. And they were meant to leave today after installing the mirrors. So when they were trying to do the mirror here, they hit on the pipe. They didn't know there was a pipe here. They say it's a geyser pipe. So there was water all over. I wasn't here when that happened. When I came back, I was just like, okay guys, what's up? Because I thought that they left. And they were like, no, we've hit the pipe, and now they had to take out tiles. And I don't know. Because they said they took them nicely, but I'm now seeing this one. This one is ruined. I can't use this tile. Maybe we'll have to literally buy one box. So because here it's ruined, how is this going to look like? I think I'm gonna take a picture for him, and I'm just gonna say, dude, this one also, do you see how it is? I think I'm just gonna take a picture and say, dude, we can buy another tile, because what you see, I also put in new corners here. Look at that. I was so excited, thinking, oh my god, by Sunday a lady that is going to clean is coming, and I don't know how this is gonna work now. But anyway, because this is an emergency, because this is pipe, like plumbing, they will come tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. I don't let people come in and work on Saturday, but this is an emergency. We currently don't have water. They were working until 9 and they decided, no, it's not working. So they still need to take out a whole lot of tiles and work from that angle. That's what they said, because as much as they are trying to do this, the other side is still leaking. So yeah, the other side is still leaking. Like my camera just zoomed without me zooming in. Oh my god, just trying to show you what is happening here. So that's the story. Shame, man. I feel for these guys, but anyway, it is what it is. Setback. It's a setback. So guys, check how. So the doors have been painted. I thought that I was gonna buy new doors, but hey, I imali guys, I anil. So alternatively, alternatively, I have decided to paint the doors. So all of them have been painted. I don't know how to do this without showing. So you see, all of them have been painted like that. And Peter didn't take the before, but I think you guys have seen how my doors were, right? So, and then I'm thinking, because I thought that I was gonna buy doors. They were gonna be white, and then I buy the handles, the black handles. But still, things are 2 million, guys. Like, things are really 2 million. So I've decided that I'm going to do that. So because I spray paint everything, so this is what I have decided to do. So that was like a trial run, sort of. So I only did for this bedroom, which is my bedroom. So I'm gonna see how it looks, and if I like it, then I'll do the rest of the rest of the house, doors. But even the doors are not white anymore. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, let me close now. So the doors are not white. They're gray. They're grayish. So you see? Yep, they're gray. So I am putting these in. Well, I've spray painted these, and I think they're so nice. I think it looks great, if I say so myself. So I think I am just going to paint or spray paint these and not buy new ones. I'll like eventually buy new ones, but like for now, while we don't have the money, let's do this. It works. It truly works. Beautiful, nice, love it. Exciting times. I am happy, guys. I am very happy. And I need to take you guys through, but I'm waiting for them to finalize everything, and I'm gonna take you guys through. I'm so happy. It is looking so good. It's looking so good. Anyway, yeah. Hi guys. So this is these are the handles. You just do it like this. I don't know if you can see. Can it focus? But these are the handles. These handles are looking currently.
I'm about to fit them in. Okay.